Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 13th. Time is around 6:15 GMT and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart and so the idea is that we will eventually end up somewhere right here, but yeah, the path towards this destination, yeah, we are not really like there are two waves. We could do it here as WXY. So this wave X here not finished yet. So the wave X not in right here, but here we have a W, then a wave X right here in red, and then another leg down as a wave Y. But I think this now really starts to look like five waves. So I think this scenario will not play out. I think we will come down, but as a wave B, and then it is as shown right here. Then we have our wave W or wave X right here, and then we are actually already working on our wave Y as an A B. I'm sorry, as an A B C right here, and so if the high was in here, so if we take the length of the wave A, if our high was in right here, then our destination for a wave B is situated right here between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So then we should come back right here into this area, and then from here we can expect reaction again to the upside as a wave C. Now, so yesterday we had the first move down here, little drop. So let's see if this further extends today towards this area. Could it still be that we are making a new high? It becomes unlikely. This starts to look now really like five waves. One, two, wave three of three, wave three. Four down, we break the RSI trend line. Five, we end with divergence. Could we still do something like this? Yeah, I think we cannot exclude it if we come up here again, like taking out this high here, ending with divergence. It is still possible, but it looks less likely. But it is possible, and if we come up here again, that does not really invalidate the scenario. Then just the subwaves are a bit different than drawn here, but then it would mean we come back up here, we make the fifth wave, ending here with divergence. Then this was our wave three, this was our wave four, and the fifth wave is then just situated right here instead of this high. But then I would expect the same. From here, we come down again as wave B into this area. And so once we are here, we then can go up again as a wave C. So yeah, very corrective pattern in the FTSE, but yeah, it's been like this for the past weeks and months. So this is not really a surprise. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.